Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch channel. This is my YouTube space dedicated to my ongoing journey with watches. I have a main channel that's all about sneakers and tech, but this is the space where I chronicle my beginner's journey in collecting watches that I love. Now in today's episode, we are going to check out and put on wrist the last watch that I haven't reviewed yet in the Seiko Naruto collaboration. So we've done Naruto, we've done Boruto, we've done Sasuke, we've done Shikamaru, we've done Sarada, and quite recently we ended, the last vlog was Gaara. And in today's episode, we are going to check out the last piece in the collection. It still has plastic. This is the Naruto Seiko Rock Lee. Let's go. Now, the first most striking thing about the watch, if you take a look at it, is obviously the color combination, which is inspired by Lee's trademark green jumpsuit and his leg yellow warmers. That's the yellow line that you see cutting across the NATO strap, and the green is pretty much dominant across the entire piece. Action on this watch, and when I say action, it means inspiration with Rock Lee, really happens on the bezel. Because if you take a look at the bezel, there are two key elements. On one end, you have something that represents the bandages that he has on his arms and his wrist. And on the other hand, you have the gates that he can open to unleash his full power or full potential. Those are like the chi blockers that he unblocks, if I remember correctly from the anime. So those are the 8 inner gates, and if you check this one, it goes all the way to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the gate that Rock Lee can currently open it up to. And speaking of the 8 inner gates, one of the best scenes of the entire anime series has got to be the way that Guy fought Madara. That was just insane. I mean, how he unlocked the entire 8 inner gates and fought through that, and almost, oh man, it was just crazy. That was a show of sheer effing will. And that was, for me, one of the most memorable fight scenes, one of the most memorable scenes. And I will never forget that to the point where I grew old. But yeah, that's just so inspiring. Love that scene. Love that fight. And if you take a look at the display case back, you can actually see the 4R36 automatic movement of Seiko. By the way, that's the same movement across all the watches in the series. 41 hours of power reserve, gives you the day-date complication, stop hand function, all of that stuff that I've covered in previous episodes. Now, the kanji actually means guts, which you can find on his heavy ankle weights. And speaking of moments, another really kick-ass moment early in the Naruto series was when he fought Gaara. When he took off those weights and he just let it go and it just smashed the floor of the arena. Boom! That was such a kick-ass moment. And it would really, send shivers down your spine if you're an anime fan to see an epic moment like that. And the soundtrack of that fight was just really next level as well. So it's kind of interesting to see that scene where he fought Gaara, and then later on Gaara would actually save his butt in one of the later scenes. But yeah, really nice scene, and nice to see that they reference that at the back of the watch. Now, all the other features of the watch are pretty much the same. You have 42.5, I think, diameter of the watch. It's 93 grams, very lightweight, 10 bar water resistance. I mentioned the power reserve already. And it is a great everyday watch that's easy to wear because of the color. I mean, the green is something that can blend very well with any outfit that you can think of. So it is a nice everyday watch, especially if you are a fan of Rock Lee. Oh, and two more things, almost forgot. All the watches from the Seiko Naruto collaboration come in this special packaging, Heaven and Earth scroll from the Chunin exam, and it is numbered. So every piece is 6,500 pieces only, and you can find the number of your watch at the display case back. Now, who should buy this? Obviously, if you are a fan of Rock Lee, you might want to check it out. Like what I mentioned in my Gaara review, it is not practical at all to buy the entire set because it will set you back more than 100,000 pesos. But if you just want one character, and if you want to immortalize your fandom of the Naruto series, then you might want to pick up a watch from this collection. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog for today. Make sure to check out all my vlogs of the Naruto Seiko collaboration. I did a review of every single one. I will link to the playlist somewhere here so you can, watch the episodes that you've missed. I hope you enjoyed. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boo.